Hello, future Lobos. I'm Mr. Frieda, principal of Los Alisos Intermediate School. And today is sports day, actually, so that LA Dodgers, go LA. And it also stands for Los Alisos. How perfect is that? So I want to welcome you to our orientation, and I hope you enjoy the video that's coming up from our drama students and our ASB students. And very important, tonight you need to drag your parents here, drive through the parking lot between 5 and 6 p.m., and you will get this amazing t-shirt. All right, and going with our Amazon Prime theme, we have Lobo Pride. Check this out. Here you go. Pretty cool, huh? Lobo Pride. And there's the back. Look at that. Kid tested, mother approved. This can be yours, but you have to come by tonight between 5 and 6 p.m. in our parking lot, and you get your t-shirt. We just want to see you. We didn't get to see you today, and you're going to be a Lobo, so we want to say hi. So make sure you come by between 5 and 6. And now for our cool unboxing video. Take it away, drama students and ASB students. See you tonight. Bye, guys.
Hi, future Lobos. Welcome to the Los Alisos unboxing video. I'm Ellie.
I'm Lyndon.
I'm Addie.
I'm Presley.
I'm Jason.
I'm Natasha.
Let's open up the box and see what's inside.
Alright, so first, this is our wonderful principal, Mr. Frieda. And then we have our assistant principal, Miss Parks. And our amazing counselor, Miss Lena.
Oh look, it's a 6-pack of soda. Here at Los Alisos, we have 6 classes. We have classes such as math, history, science, PE, English, and an elective. Also at Los Alisos, we have a snack break, a lunch break, and in between each classes, we have a 5-minute passing period.
For 7th grade electives, there are many choices. You can be in the elective wheel with 3 elective classes, which will rotate each trimester. You can be in music with Miss M, or you can be in drama, which is all year.
In PE, we have uniforms that we change in and out of every day in the locker rooms. We play many different sports, and we use the uniforms so we are able to do everything. We as ASB run the social media, promote leadership, plan dances and activities, plan spirit weeks, and we even bring out our mascot, Larry the Lobo.
Oh, an immersion medallion. Special welcome to our immersion students from Gates. If you don't know what immersion is, it's a program where students learn from Spanish to English from kindergarten to 12th grade. This group of students is about 25% of our student body.
Look at this beautiful plant. Here at Los Alisos, we have a beautiful arboretum that our science teachers and classes take care of. We love hosting events at our beautiful garden.
Oh hey, it's ice cream. Ice cream gets passed out 3 times a year at the end of each trimester. This happens when you get an A, B, or C in every class. Outstanding or satisfactory in work habits and citizenship. We call this ADCOS. Here at Los Alisos, we teach being responsible, ready, and respectful. When a teacher sees a student demonstrating the 3 R's, they receive a positive. Once a month, you can cash them out for extra credit, early out to lunch, or hot Cheetos.
We have many ways of honoring students at Los Alisos, such as Student of the Month, where a teacher recognizes a student of hard work and will receive a Snow to Go gift card.
We also have the Principal Honor Roll for students who get an overall GPA of 3.5 or higher.
We look forward to seeing you next year, Lobos. Bye!
Bye.